Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with the laptop unlocked and admin access, open settings, then network and internet, or connections on some systems. Once there, choose Mobile Hotspot or Hotspot and Tethering to reveal current hotspot details. Make sure the hotspot is turned on so fields appear. You're doing this now because changing the password requires the running service active, otherwise options stay grayed out. If prompted, select the adapter used for sharing. This ensures you're editing the correct hotspot profile. Once the hotspot panel is visible, click Edit, Configure, or the pencil icon. This opens the SSID and password fields. You will see the current password masked. Replace it with a new, strong passphrase, ideally 12 or more characters, mixing letters and numbers. After typing, double-check by toggling the Show Password eye icon if available. Then press Save or Apply. Once saved, the hotspot restarts or refreshes. Make sure you keep the laptop awake, so the new credentials propagate. After saving, instruct each device to reconnect using the new password. On many devices, you must forget the old network first. If the change didn't take effect, reboot the laptop and repeat the edit. This clears transient locks. Make sure your Wi-Fi adapter drivers are up to date and that no firewall rule is blocking hotspot services. Update drivers via Device Manager or the vendor app. If problems persist, toggle the hotspot off then on once more, and re-enter the password carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.